Hello guys, in today's video, I'm going to be doing trolling with this fake vending machine avatar. Later, I was trolling as hold up. Yeah, I was trolling as Carl, the NPC. You know him, right? I was going into random games and just pretending to be him. Oh, now I'm gonna switch to anything like Roblox Boy or something. And there we go. Why the hell not? Just put chicken there. Oh, yeah, this is better. This is way better, bro. Yeah, this is way better. Oh, I'm just gonna make this. Yep. The blockhead. That's perfect. There you go, that's really bad. Nah. Oh my. Yeah, I'm gonna make a video about this. This video is coming up, just that. You're there, now he's short. To hide the arms. Right, wait, we should do this. Boing. Then vending machine. Why not just throw this in here too? Yeah, we're gonna be just going in random games and just doing this. Also, guys, I'm wondering if I should use a face. No, actually, no. So first game we're gonna be doing it in is Murder Mystery 2. Okay. I'm on mobile and I haven't got my PC yet, so yeah. Alright, let's go. We're in. Alright guys, make sure to hit the subscribe button and like the video. I really like you guys' support. I've been working hard on stuff like school and stuff. And okay, now we just gotta hide. We just gotta hide. No, I just gotta hide. I just gotta hide. Okay, right here. Someone's in cat, bro. Apple cat, bro. Apple. Yeah, look at that. There's Apple right there, bro. Why is there Apple in this game, bro? Whoa, this cat. Whoa, this cat. So yeah, we're just gonna be finding spots and just hiding, bro. Just gonna be sitting like this. Yeah. That'd be pretty cool if I survive. Alright. Let's go. Ready. Oh, that's perfect. That's perfect, bro. That's perfect. Now we just watch. Oh my gosh. We have a blockhead, so look at him. Look at it, bro. Well, I'm just gonna be a little dance. Yo, look. Yay! That's so good. Whoa, this is so good. I could just do this. Yeah. I'm gonna try to get Flamingo to comment. If that would be my dream come true. It's like inspired me to make videos, but who just shot someone? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I think they noticed me, bro. I think they noticed me. Oh, someone got killed, bro. Someone got killed. Lanky box. Okay. We didn't get noticed yet. But we didn't get noticed. That's crazy, bro. What's that for? What's that for? Ah! 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 Oh my gosh. Ah! There we go. Sit. There we go. Well, hold on. There we go. We're stuck in the pond, bro. Oh, you want vending machine? You want free UGC? Then come in the water. And there's free UGC. Wow! Wow! Free UGC. Oh, damn. Alright. Like, if, hey guys, I'm giving you free UGC. Boo, boo, boo. Oh, this is a good spot. Oh, Sheriff. Oh god, okay. So, just right here, I guess. Okay. I need wrong spot, bad spot. We're here to, just fool people. There we go. Silly goose. Alright. Whoa! Whoa! Okay, guys, if he comes very close to me and like tries to kill me, I'm gonna shoot him. Look at this, a gun. He has a gun. Oh yeah, I forgot. I put tiny arms so they can't even see the gun, though. Woo! Woo! Oh crap! No! Oh no! He sees me, bro. Whoa! Oh, spam jumping. Boing. Ha ha. Ha ha. Ha. Get noob. Get noob. Get noob. Get noob. Alright, they noticed me. Alright, new server. New server, bro. New server. They know. They literally know, bro. I got caught on the second round. That one round was insane, though. I need to find a round with, like, all noobs, bro. I had, like, only one. Like, that was crazy, though. Oh my gosh. Yo. Please don't spawn me, new people. Yes. No, yes, bro. Let's go. See the slightest movement. See? Vending machine. Vending machines. 2 vending machines. Wow. Very cool. It's really vending machine. Vending machine. Bro. You look at this girl, bro. she's like standing there. She's like, huh? Look at my inventory to see what you want. You got any gun? Look at my inventory to see what you want. Oh my gosh, bro. These people. Uzi, what? Ooh, she got purple shine. Ooh. Woo! Alright. Let's go on to the round, though. Oh, this is a perfect round. This is wood. This is a good spot. I know a good spot here. Just right here. Works every time. But I've done this before, and it's insane. Woo! Vending machine! Stop! Stop! Very vending machine. I got caught, guys. I got caught. Yeah, I'm caught. Bull. Mine. Whoa. Watch this. I can just stand in here and they won't know. What? Watch this. Oh my gosh. She thinks it's like a glitch or something. New server, I guess, but new server. Oh my gosh, bro. I don't know, guys. Though I don't have any editing programs, so this video might be a little long. Yeah, new Pokemon stuff coming though. I'm gonna make some Pokemon videos soon. Pokemon Go. When Go Fest comes up though, I'll do it for sure. Talk about the new update. Ah! Oh my gosh, run. There, you saw nothing. You saw nothing, bro. You saw nothing, flower box. Yeah, you saw nothing. Yeah, you saw nothing, flower box. No, it's a flex box. Oh no, it's a flex box. Danny word puppy. Oh no. Hold up. You know what? I'm just gonna send a random person a freaking trade request. See what they do. Just send this Aldo a return for a trade request. See what we're doing. Oh yeah. If you wanna add me in my MM2, they're good. Also, I made a new TikTok account. Pikachu game free still. Yeah, please subscribe though, guys. I really want it at what up? Aldo, you want to offer this? You know, oh, this is a bad offer. You know what? I trade hands off for it with Nightfire. And nope, I just wasted their time. Okay, oh my gosh. Whoa, what is she doing? Go! 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 Just go! Run! Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, she's lagging. Oh wait! It's gonna teleport! Oh wait! I'm new to in here, so it won't teleport me. Yeah, nobody Whoa! Look at this. Wow, very nice. Tamwa Clim. Wow, where's your harvester? Whoa, this is just a bot. But oh my god, I received a harvester for $35. Oh my gosh! I wish I knew to at the store earlier. Visit Murdery Store. Oh, this is so good. Wait. This is the worst. There. Vending machine. Very nice. Vending machine. Very, very cheap. £1 like UGC. Like very, very cheap. £1 UGC. There you go. Oh, see. Now just wait. Stop! Stop it, bro! Stop it! But he thinks it's fake, but this is not fake. But oh my god, bro. Oh my god. Oh hell no, man. Oh my god. Stop! Bro, stop. Oh my god, bro. Oh my gosh, bro. Stop. Stop, you're ruining it. Look. Oh my gosh, I hate how these people are like doing that. Bro, stop, bro. It's not fake. Hold on. Hello. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Hello. Hello. Oh my gosh. Whoa, this is awesome. People just don't even know I'm here. Like, look. Oh. Like, look at that person. Bro, look. Oh my god. They just walk right. They just walked past me twice. So this scam boy is really desperate to get buyers. Look, get a corrupt knife for 40 bucks. I. The vending machine is moving. Woo! Oh, this is so. Alright, new spot. There you go. What? Free! Oh my gosh. Free! Oh my gosh, look, it's free! No! Right over here. Here you go. Here. There you go. Vending machine. Again. Like, yet again. Look. You just walk right past me, bro. And look at that! Look at that! You see this? Boing, 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 boing. Alright, guys. This is probably gonna be like an hour video long of just me, like, bullying kids. Even though I am one. Alright, let's go down from Murder Mystery 2. Let's see what we find. Kitty MM2? What? Wow! Oh my god! Insano 2 Murder Mystery 2! Woo! Woo! Kitty's MM2! Woo! Okay, I didn't even search up Dead Rails. Alright, we're making a part 2 of this. Oh wait, we're going to next MM2. Bonus thing. Hit, like, watch. I know, like there's like 5-year-olds in here. Like 3-year-olds who don't even know how to type on their iPad. Like, look at this. Sophie Chucky the Queen. Like, look at this. Look at this, bro. Look. Like, these may look like insanely rich people, but they're like, look at this. Ducky! No, Ducky! Oh my gosh. What? They give you so much stuff, though. Like, look at this. Chrome. Okay, I have to admit, these items are pretty cool. Custom box. Alright, let's. Bro, they just gave you it, bro. Love. What? I'm just gonna pick the tiniest ones. Where's that one gun I had? I do. It was like super tiny. No one can see it. Where is it? There you go, Darkbringer. And where is it? They didn't give you it. No. Oh, there it is. Prismatic. I don't know. I think turkey's smaller. Yeah, I'm just gonna go for that. But they just give you mystery keys. They hook you up. Whoa, what? Nah. Clown. Clown. You're calling me clown. No! I don't want radio. No, get rid of radio. There. No, I don't want a favorite. Whoa. I didn't even get into the match yet. Whoa. I gotta see. Easter. Easter. Oh my gosh. Easter. Claim. Free. Whoa. Decorated. Like, these kids don't even know what they're dealing with, but. Like, look at this. I just go in the pond and boom, nobody sees me. Oh, it's so good. Alright. Oh, they gave you all the real eggs. Well, that's not fun. Aw, that's not fun at all. You would not believe your eyes. Alright, let's equip some stuff. Effects. No, that wouldn't work for anything. Oh, ninja. Oh no. Oh, you never saw anything. You saw nothing. Egg. There. Perfect spot. Nobody suspects it. Nobody expects a thing because you're 2-year-olds. Da da da. You would not believe your eyes. Like, they don't even know what, like, they're doing, but. Also, the reason I picked the goofball face is, because of its, Cletus. Woo! Okay, I'm just gonna go now. Alright, let's see. Whoa! Camping. You're camping. Whoa, where's the gun at, bro? Oh, there's no gun. Alright. Well, guys, that's the end of the video. See you guys, and peace out. Make sure to subscribe to my channel for some support, so let's get supported. Alright, thanks, guys. Bye.